Good evening, RHS parents. Thank you for joining us this evening. Even though tonight is an all-virtual open house, we know it will be an excellent chance for you to get familiar with all of your child's teachers and classes. To access the link for each of your child's teachers, you will find a virtual open house master hub on the same site you access this video. The only thing you need to know is the name of each of the teachers. Tonight will be very informative. Our teachers will provide an overview of each class, including detailed information on class policies and procedures. Following each video, if you have additional questions for a specific teacher, please do not hesitate to reach out to them via email, or many of the teachers have provided a Google link so that you could submit a meeting request. If you have trouble accessing the videos, please email the teacher. We are asking all teachers to monitor their emails during the open house event. Thanks again for joining our virtual event. There is no more of an important key to your child's success than a strong relationship between school and home. Together, we will achieve greatness. Thank you again, and enjoy the open house.